Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vani Vision. Hope you all are doing well, and I think so. You people are following up and doing all the methods, whatever the tricks I thought you up to now, like addition, subtraction, multiplications, right? So I'm back with a new concept that is division. So can anyone say 860 divided by 5 within 5 seconds? Can we? Can we say it? Sure. We are going to say it and we are going to learn about it within 5 seconds how to say what is the answer of 860 divided by 5. Hope you'll understand it clearly. So before going into that, how to learn what is the trick for 860 divided by 500, not only for 860 divided by 500, any other number also you can take. Okay, before going into that, first we'll see how we are going to do our division in general method. Okay, so many of them will be getting confused while doing the division, right? So for that reason, first I just wanted to show you how we are going to do a division from. So in this video, we are going to learn about a math trick, how to do a division, how to divide a number by using 5, 50, 500, 5000 and so on. So I'll be telling you about 550 and 500. Further, by learning that itself, you people only will do the 5,000 and 5 lakhs so and so. Clear? Shall we start our session? So first we are going to do the general method of the division. Okay? We'll start with our 5. See, I'm taking only one number, that is 860 I'm going to take. So 860 divided by 5, 860 divided by 50 and 860 divided by 500 we are going to see. So after seeing the general method, I am going to tell you the trick back of it which can be done within 5 seconds. Okay, shall we start? So today we are going to learn about division. So first we'll see how to do 860 divided by 5. 860 divided by 5. So 5, right? Now 5 ones are 5 minus 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5, 3 and bring this 6 down. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. We should know the table of 5 to do this division, right? Yes. 5 sevens are 35. And then 6 minus 5, 1. And bring this 0 down. So 5 twos are 10. So your answer is, your quotient is 172 and your remainder is 0. In this way we are going to do it, this, right? So, and the next one is what? With the 50 we'll see. And then with 500 also we'll see. Then I'm going to tell you about the trick, how to do it in easy way within 5 seconds. Easily. Without using the table we are going to do it. Okay. Then next, 860 divided by 500. Now 50 I said, right? So now 50. 860 divided by 50. Now 50 ones are 50. Now 6, 3, bring this 0 down. Now 52s are 100. You should know 50 table, right? Like 50 ones are 50, 52s are 100, 53s are 250, sorry, 53s are 150, 54s are 200, 55s are 250, 56 are 300, 57s are 350. So we have to go for 7s are 350. Then our remainder is what? 10. So quotient is 17, remainder is 10. Okay. Now here we are going to do our 500. Now 860 divided by 500. So 500, 860, ones are 500. Subtract 63. So our quotient is 1, remainder is 360. So this is smaller number than this. So that's the reason. Up to here, I'm going to tell you. Clear? And then now, We have to know the trick, right? What the trick we are going to use here? Without using the table only, we are going to learn it. Clear? Now, listen carefully for 5. Then you can use it for 50 and 500 and so on numbers also we can use it. Clear? Now, see, listen carefully. What I am doing, you people listen carefully. Just I am writing 8, 6, 0. Okay? And then doubling it. Like 0 is 0. Right? And then 6 should be written as 12. Separated by a slash. Right? Then 8 is written as 16. So from the beginning, what we are learning? Balancing, right? The same thing we are going to do here, like we are going to balance the numbers. See. So if I balance, what I am going to get here? 0 will be written as 0. 2 will be written as 2. And this one will go and add with 6 and it will become 7. And this one will be written as 1. So our last number will be our remainder and our first 3 digits will be our quotient. Is it easy? We are using any table over here? Nothing, right? We are just doubling the numbers and we are writing it. Clear? How it? See, by using which method? Again, balancing method. If you people don't know what is a balancing method or else you are seeing my video first time, then you please go back to the addition video. There I have clearly explained about the balancing method. You can go through over there and come back and do the division. By using the balancing method only, we have learned the multiplication tricks also, right? So now the same balancing method helps you to do divide easily 5. Okay, 5. Dividing a number by using a 5, like 50, 5, 500, 5000, everything by using balancing method only. Clear? We are not using any tables over here, right? No table or 5 table we are not using. Just by using the balancing method we are doing here. Clear? Is it clear for the 5? Then we'll go for 50. See here. Same 8, 6, 0. Okay, double it 0, 12, 16. Then write 0, 2, 7, 1. Now it is of 2 digit, right? Then separate it by 2 digit. Okay, then our quotient is what? 17 and our remainder should be divided by 2. Okay, or else half of it we should write. Divided by 2, again you get confusion. Half of 2 is what? Half of 2 is what? 10. So what is our answer? 17 and 10. Our quotient is 17. Remainder is 10. Clear? Easy, right? I have used any tables over here? No. For 1 digit, you have to choose last 1 digit. For 2 digit, we have to choose last 2 digits. And then we'll go for our last number, that is 860 divided by 500 in easy way. Clear? 8, 6, 0. 0, 12, 16. Same 0, 2, 7, 1. Now, how many digits over here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, what is our quotient? Quotient is 1. Now, remainder is equals to 700. Half of it we should write. It is what? 360. Clear? That was easy, right? Directly we are doing. Just we are doubling the numbers. We are using a balancing method over there. If by seeing the number of digits, like 1, 2, 3 digits, the divisor is of 3 digits. This is what dividend, this is the divisor, right? Now the divisor is of 3 digits, then last 3 digits we have to take as a remainder. The rest numbers will come under quotient. Clear? Now our quotient is what? 1. And for only one thing you have to remember, that is in the remainder you have to take a half of it. Yeah, we have to take a half of the number, whatever after balancing, whatever the numbers we are taking, we have to make half of it. Yeah, now 720 means 360. Now here 20 means 10. In this way, by using this method, we can divide like 5000. We divide any number by using 5000, 5 lakhs. Clear? Any number, any big number also we can easily divide by 5, easily divide by 50 and easily divide by 500. So we have done this within 3 to 5 seconds, right? Yes or no? Without using any table of 550 or 500 or 5000, and no need of table to divide a number here. Clear? I think so. I hope watch the method clearly and try to implement it. That means practice it by taking different numbers. Then you will be perfect. Clear? As I am saying from the beginning, practice it by using different numbers. Then only you are going to get the method correctly. Clear? So I think so. Hope you'll understand it clearly. So stay tuned to Vani Vision and do subscribe, share and like. And I'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you.